Welcome to this week's video newsletter, and on this last day of the half term we have a Own Clothes Day in aid of Just One Tree. So just a shout out there that we're all wearing green today for the charity Just One Tree. Thank you to Dupuy, who this term has so far managed to get all of our students into the water surfing at one stage or another and at one level or another. As we now head into the winter months, the groups will be shrinking, but there will still be groups going into the water surfing over the next few months. They've all the students at the school have been involved, not just on the surfboards, but in the shaping bay, where they've been learning to repair those dings, so they can all get their surfboards fixed up over the winter months. They've also been learning how to do screen printing, and there have been a couple of visits to the Great Britain Museum of Surfing and the Electrofish surfboard workshop as well that they visited. As one new member of staff said just very recently, Kingsley is a little bit like Hogwarts with surfing. Not a bad description. Congratulations to our UK Senior Maths Challenge competitors. We have had 4 bronze medals, 3 silver and 2 golds. And those 2 golds, Kate and Alfie, are now going on to the national rounds for the Senior UK Maths Challenge. Well done to all of you, and more news on Key Stage 4 and Key Stage 3 later. Huge congratulations also to our gymnasts who recently at the Southwest Qualifiers competed, and we had Tiger coming away with a gold, a silver and a bronze, and who was crowned overall champion at silver level. Maddie, who was competing at gold level, who finished in 4th place, and Jessie, who finished who ended up with 4 first places and an all-round gold medal. Tiger and Maddie now go on to represent the Southwest at the national finals later this term in November. Congratulations also to our rugby teams who have been back in action this week and who remain unbeaten. And we also had our first run out for the under-13 football team this week, who unfortunately came second in their match earlier. This week we saw over 60 families joining us, some from current year 11 and many from other schools in the area for our 6th form open evening. It was great to see so many students here, so many families here, and to see the buzz generally around the 6th form that we have at Kingsley currently. And we're really looking forward to all of those new students and to many of the current year 11 students coming together this time next year to form that new 6th form year 12 cohort and join the Kingsley family. We end the half term on a real high this afternoon with the inter-house music competition. This is so important for the mental health and well-being of our students. That massive release of endorphins that we're all going to experience this afternoon is something that I'm certainly looking forward to seeing and experiencing. Well done to all the students who have been practicing during their tutor periods and assemblies for this afternoon's event. Now, the half-term grades are live on the parent portal, so please do see the link from the parents page on the website if you haven't already signed up for the portal. And good luck to all the year 11 and year 13 students who are going to be revising over the next 2 weeks, because when they come back, they go into mock exams a week later, and we wish them all the very best for that. So to everyone, have a very well-earned and very well-deserved half-term break, and I look forward to seeing everybody back in a couple of weeks' time. Thank you. Bye-bye.